Yes, good morning, children. Today we are going to start our revision work that is for practical geography. As earlier I taught you this chapter, and now I am going to tell you some important questions. Some important questions you have to note down for your Viva preparation, because based upon your practical there would be viva by internal as well as external examiner on the final day. This viva will decide your marks, right? It leaves very good impression on both the examiners, internal and external. It shows that how you have prepared your practical file, how much you have studied about your this content regarding your practical work. So that is very important. How much you have studied about. There are different type of organizations. I told you. Data analysis we have done. डाटा की क्लासिफिकेशन की थी, थीमेटिक वैल्यूज़ की थी. Then based upon that on, today I am going to tell you about some important questions of this data. And so very important first question is, what is the origin of world map? वर्ल्ड मैप है, इसका ओरिजिन हमने कहाँ से लिया गया है? इट्स ओरिजिन वी आर टेकन फ्रॉम लैटिन वर्ड मैपा, MAPPA. This is the answer for our first question. What is the origin of the world map? You have to write the full sentence, and if that examiner asks you, then you have to give the full answer that the origin of the world map has been derived from Latin word mappa, which means map. In the same way, we have second question. Who were the first cartographer? Cartographer, you know that who preparing map. That is Curie. What is the first cartographer of this world map? It means you say Curie Papyrus. Curie's Papyrus. That word you have to write. It is the name of cartographer who first introduced this word map from Latin word which means mappa. So in this way you have to give its answer. And our third question is, on what basis data is collected? On what basis data is collected? किस बेसिस पे हम डाटा कलेक्ट करते हैं? तो वी कैन से दैट डाटा इज कलेक्टेड ऑन द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव यूनिट्स. Data is collected on the basis of administrative units. Administrative units mean to say provided by the government. It may be at village level. It may be at village level, like administrative units. Village. It can be at village level. Yes, there is some interruption in between village level, town, district level and state level. That is type of data. And our next question is fourth. Two types of data. These are the answer for this question is qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative and quantitative type of two types of data. Then our next question is, what is NATAMO? NATAMO short form, N stands for national, A stands for atlas, National Atlas Thematic, M for map, Thematic Map Organization. Thematic Map Organization. N national, A atlas, T thematic, mapping, O for organization. So it means national atlas and thematic mapping organization. Then our next question is what do you mean by analysis of data? Analysis of data, you know that this whole chapter revolves around the analysis of data, which means we computing, tabulation and processing. Computing, इसको हम इकट्ठा करते हैं, कलेक्ट करते हैं, कंप्यूटर में इसको स्टोर करते हैं, फिर इसको टैबुलेशन करते हैं, इसको टेबुलर फॉर्म में लिखते हैं एंड देन वी क्लासीफाई, राइट. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड, एंड जब इसको फिर क्लासीफाई करने के बाद हम इसको प्रोसेस करते हैं, तो दैट इज कंप्यूटिंग, टैबुलेशन एंड प्रोसेसिंग. दैट ऑल दीज थ्री फंक्शंस जब भी हम ये करते हैं तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एनालिसिस ऑफ डाटा. देन व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ डाटा? क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ डाटा मीन टू से क्लासीफाई करते हैं. जब हम एक डाटा तो ले लेते हैं, उसको हम डिफरेंट टाइप से क्लासीफाई करते हैं, राइट. तो दैट मीन टू से डाटा हैविंग सेम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, ठीक है, उसकी कैटेगरीज है. डाटा हैविंग सेम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स is classified into a different class, into a different class. के सेम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक के बेसिस पे जब हम डाटा को एक पर्टिकुलर क्लास में कलेक्ट कर लेते हैं तो दैट इज कॉल्ड क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ डाटा. देन आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज नेम टू एक्सिस ऑफ द डायग्राम. वेरी कॉमन, बट समटाइम्स स्टूडेंट्स forget at once. That's why I have mentioned this question. There are two axes for every diagram, x-axis and y-axis. X-axis and y-axis are there. For that, like in this way, you draw the diagram. So this is the x-axis and this is the y. Here commonly we take O point. This is the y-axis and it is the x-axis. Accordingly we take the diagram. And then next one is our question, that is name three examples of the diagram. हम किस किस टाइप के डायग्राम्स बना लेते हैं जब हमें अपने डाटा को ग्राफिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन करनी होती है. तो वी राइट बार ग्राफ, वी मेक बार ग्राफ, pie charts, pie graph you can say, and line graph. Three type of graphs are there. Bar graph we take, I can give you example for bar graph. Like in this way we make a bar graph. This is the x-axis and y-axis. Right? तो इसमें हम इस टाइप से कुछ भी डाटा लेके in this way we show the bars in the form of bars. It is bar graph, right? X-axis and y-axis is the bar graph. And next, when we take line graph, in same way, when we take data, right? And we just mark here this here, this here, this, and this, and this. So in this way, when we join these lines according to the data calculation, and we join these lines in this way, that is known as line graph, right? इसे line graph बोलते हैं. Then I told you pie graph. Pie graph is that is called pie chart. Also in this way we take, right, percentage of something having, like we take the gases, form of gases in atmosphere. तो हम इसको नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन और हाइड्रोजन के अकॉर्डिंग बांट लेते हैं. हमारे पास 71% गैस होती है, कोई 2% होती है, कोई 3% होती है. तो दैट इज shown in this way, 3%, 2%, that is the pie graph. Okay student, hopefully you have understood very well. I have tried my best in very slow speed so that you may understand all these things. Our next question is, on what basis factors of the scale फैक्टर्स ऑफ द स्केल ग्राफ डिपेंड्स। जब भी हम कोई ग्राफ बनाते हैं हम आपको बोलते हैं कि यू हैव टू मेंशन द स्केल वेरी अर्जेंटली। तो किस चीज़ पे डिपेंड करता है, हम इसको स्मॉल स्केल लेंगे, लार्ज स्केल में कैटेगराइज करेंगे और एनीथिंग एल्स में। तो स्मॉल स्केल। तो अवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दैट इज ऑन व्हाट factors the scale of graph depends. The scale of graph depends upon which factors. ठीक है, तो हम आपको हमेशा बोलती हूँ मैं कि यू हैव टू राइट द स्केल, अदरवाइज योर मार्क्स वुड बी डिडक्टेड। यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल, आपने कौन सा स्केल यूज़ किया है। तो इसके लिए हमें किस टाइप से स्केल की सिलेक्शन भी करनी है कि हमें स्मॉल स्केल बनाना है, मैप ड्रॉ करना है, जहाँ हमें लार्ज स्केल मैप ड्रॉ करना है। तो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वी हैव टू सी लाइक दैट, राइट। तो विच टाइप ऑफ मैप और स्केल यू आर यूजिंग, दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द साइज ऑफ पेपर एंड रेंज ऑफ डाटा। दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द आंसर नंबर 10, साइज ऑफ द पेपर and range of data, कि आपको किस रेंज का डाटा है। तो these are the some important questions from your chapter number 1. Hopefully you have understood, my dear students. Keep on learning in this crucial time period. You have to be very much serious. I know that it is very difficult time, you are not knowing about your targets, what to do, when to do, but you have to be ready like a soldiers every time कि कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है। You have to be ready regarding your practical, your exams, your subject material. Every time you should keep on revising day by day, and hopefully so everything would be good in near future. So these are the 10 important questions. Note down. Thank you. And you have to take care of your health, yourselves as well as your family. Bye students.